Very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Very warm welcome over to the Singapore WASH Conference 2013. My name is Richard, your host for this morning, and right now we are waiting for the arrival of guest of honor, Minister Grace Fu, to join us in this morning's occasion. So please feel free to sit back, relax, as we get started this morning for this great occasion. It is my honor to once again invite every one of you to this morning's event. Let's just sit back and wait for the arrival of our guest of honor. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our guest of honor, Ms. Grace Fu, Minister of Prime Minister's Office, also Second Minister for the Environment and Water Resources, and Second Minister for Foreign Affairs. Good morning, Minister Fu, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Singapore WASH Conference 2013. My name is Richard, your host for this morning. To start off this great event this morning, please put your hands together and welcome Mr. Ho Chi Kim, Restroom Association Singapore Honorary Secretary, on behalf of President Ms. Tan Hui Hoon, who can't be here with us this morning due to medical reason. Let's give Mr. Ho Chi Kim a big round of applause.
A very good morning to our guest of honor, Ms. Grace Fu, Minister, Prime Minister's Office, Second Minister for the Environment and the Water Resources, and Second Minister for Foreign Affairs. New awards, recipients, conference speakers, supporters, and distinguished guests. It is our pleasure and honor to welcome all of you to the first Singapore Water, Sanitation and Hygiene or WASH Conference 2013 on World Toilet Day. Last year, at the Lu Carnival and Awards, guest of honor Mr. Liak Ting Lik, Chairman of the Public Hygiene Council, proposed that the Lu Awards should be heightened and organized at a greater scale. We accepted his proposal, and we are heartened that we are able to implement his suggestions this year as we hold the 5th Lu Awards in conjunction with the WASH Conference to commemorate World Toilet Day. We wish to first extend our heartiest congratulations to all the award recipients for your exemplary contributions of uplifting local restroom standards, especially the cleaning attendance. We are pleased to announce that a record of 10 cleaning attendants, as compared to 3 in the previous years, are selected to receive an award and grocery vouchers this year. Committed cleaning attendants underscore the sustainability of restroom cleanliness, yet it's regrettable that their contributions continue to go unnoticed. Therefore, apart from organizing the Loo Awards, our key message for the World Toilet Day this year is ignite the spark. Share, promote, and adopt restroom kindness. As RS ignite this spark, we hope everybody can join us to burn an eternal flame of restroom kindness towards cleaning attendants, fellow users, and 2.5 billion people around the world still without toilet. We believe restroom kindness or graciousness should be displayed by everyone. Owners and operators should be gracious to provide working facilities. Cleaning service providers should be gracious to look into the welfare of cleaning attendants, and public users should be gracious to cleaning attendants and fellow users. Today, our vision is a gracious society embracing excellence in restroom culture. And this is achieved through our current four-pronged approach, which is, firstly, encourage owners to provide quality restrooms. Next, lobbying the cleaning industry to meet the right standards. Then educating the socially responsible users. And lastly, recognizing organizations and individuals for their contributions. We wish to make use of this opportunity to share some of our key milestones and future plans. In 2001, we became one of the founding members of the World Toilet Organization, WTO, and declared 19 November as World Toilet Day together with 16 other toilet associations. In 2003, during the SARS period, we launched the Happy Toilet Program, HTP, and today HTP is now a nationwide recognized toilet rating system which is strongly supported by the National Environment Agency, NEA. The Happy Toilet School Education Program, or HTSE, for primary and secondary schools was introduced in 2005, and a similar program for preschools was launched in 2007. In 2011, a new holistic school program called the Sustaining Toilets as Restrooms, or STAR Awards program in short, was launched to replace the HTSE. Today, we have reached out to more than 200 schools, kindergartens, and preschools. We strongly believe that good restroom behaviors should be cultivated at a young age. In 2011, we also collaborated with 6 ITEs for the first time. A 3-year campaign was also launched at ITE College East. This campaign is titled Positive Action for the Care of Toilets. In 2008, we formed an interagency working committee with close to 30 government agencies, community development councils, CDCs, town councils, private associations, and companies. We consolidated the details and submitted the report to the Prime Minister in 2010. In the same year, we launched the Eco Assessor program to train and hire lower-income housewives and retirees to certify toilets under the Happy Toilet program. The Eco Assessors were introduced at the Loo campaign on World Toilet Day in year 2008. The Loo campaign is another milestone of working on the four-pronged approach, which is now our mission statement to target owners, operators, cleaning companies, cleaning attendants, and public users to play their part. The word Loo, which is not a colloquial term for a restroom, in fact stood for Let's Observe Ourselves. 1 year after the launch of Loo campaign, we initiated the Loo Awards to recognize organizations and individuals for their contributions. In 2010, we incorporated the Loo Awards with the Loo Carnival, which was organized at the National Library to raise awareness. Prior to the Carnival at the National Library, Educational exhibits on Singapore's sanitation history were also displayed at 7 regional libraries. Through the Lu Awards, though the Lu Awards are not presented at the Lu Carnival this year, we managed to hold the Lu Carnivals at 5 shopping malls island-wide for the first time. We wish to express our sincere appreciation for HDB for sponsoring its venues for our carnival. With the proliferation of social media platforms, we have been leveraging on them to reach out to the masses, not only by creating Facebook and Twitter pages, but also uploading captivating educational videos to YouTube. Another platform under the Lu Connect, which was developed by the Singapore Land Authority, was launched on our website last year, and the mobile Android version of the Lu Connect was launched in May this year. The Lu Connect allows the public to locate happy toilets and also act as a feedback channel for the public to provide comments by either adding new locations or posting comments on existing locations. Last year, students from Nanyang Polytechnic School of Interactive and Digital Media, as part of their corporate social responsibility initiative, helped to develop Lu Whist, our first online game. This game is a good representation of actual restroom cleaning, which helps to instill considerate user behavior. Users get to experience the demanding work of a restroom attendant due to poor user behavior. This game educates the public in a subtle manner to better appreciate the efforts of a restroom attendant by acting responsibly. All these platforms are essential means of engaging the public to talk about toilets. We hope the crucial subject of toilets can shed its taboo image and become a widely discussed topic. This year is our 15th year. We are pleased to share with you that we have already set our sights on the next 3 years. We wish to evolve into a one-stop solution provider by linking owners, operators, and cleaning service providers to credible partners, which offer effective products and solutions on toilet design, operations, and maintenance. 2 months ago, we signed a memorandum of understanding with Infinergy System Solutions. They are our first partner that can offer innovative IT solutions such as an electronic feedback system. 2 subsequent MOUs will be signed later with Bus Aids and Nikkei Trading Industrial Supplies. Bus Aids offer odor reduction solutions by applying wall-covering materials which can efficiently trap and neutralize odors. This material is stain-resistant and long-lasting. Moreover, it can be applied to toilets with wallpaper decorations. Nikkei offers nano-formula products from Europe, acting as a shield sealant that provides a layer of protective coating. This translates to easier cleaning and maintenance. Unlike other products, these DIY products can be applied effortlessly by anyone following proper instructions. We hope that products can breathe new life to public toilets in Singapore. Though we observe ourselves as a one-stop restroom solution provider, we also seek to do more as a voluntary welfare organization addressing human welfare issues. This year, we successfully applied to NCSS as an associate member after amending our constitution to include our mission of helping the lower income group and the disadvantaged. We stay committed in helping this group with our Eco Assessor program and Lu Awards. A new kindness project was introduced this year as part of the Star Awards program to encourage schools to organize activities to appreciate the efforts of cleaning attendants. Moving forward, in the next 3 years, we are planning to provide social assistance to cleaning attendants. For a start, we will need to send our existing employees to undergo training as social workers. Since our existing programs require us to interact with cleaning attendants, that we can reach out to them more effectively without having them to approach us. finally, at the WASH conference, which is also our key milestone this year. We would like to once again thank our guest of honor, Ms. Grace Fu, award recipients, venue sponsor, Tampines Regional Library, conference speakers, supporters, and distinguished guests. This event would not have been possible without your support. We believe with your continuous support, we can all work together towards becoming a more gracious society, embracing excellence in restroom culture. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Ho. Ladies and gentlemen, and now we would go into the World Toilet Day Observance Ceremony. And with that, I would like to present to you a 3-minute video produced by the Ministry of the Environment and Water Resources to commemorate World Toilet Day. And next we would like to observe a minute of silence for the following 703 million people without access to clean water, 2.5 billion without access to adequate sanitation, and every 20 seconds a child dies due to poor sanitation. May I now invite everyone to rise and let's observe a minute of silence. Thank you very much. Please be seated. We would now like to invite Ms. Grace Fu, Minister of Prime Minister's Office, also Second Minister for Environment and Water Resources, and Second Minister for Foreign Affairs to address us. Mr. Grace Fu, please.
Selamat pagi. Mr. Ho Chik Kit, Honorary Secretary, Restroom Association Singapore, Promsec Choi Sing Pong, Ministry of Environment and Water Resources, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to all of you. I'm very delighted to join all of you here today at the inaugural Water, Sanitation and Hygiene Conference, or WASH Conference in short, to show Singapore's commitment to the global initiative to improve sanitation standards and promote acceptable restroom practices. An adequate level of sanitation is necessary for public health and a dignified way of life. I think from the video, it showed us such a poignant message about what sanitation, good basic sanitation, could do to improve the quality of our lives. With a growing global population and increased urbanization, the provision of sanitation infrastructure has become more pressing for many countries in Asia around the world. The World Health Organization has estimated that 2.5 billion out of 7 billion people in the world are still without access to basic sanitation. Of this 2.5 billion, 80% reside in Asia. Much still needs to be done, as inadequate sanitation is a primary reason for the spread of infectious diseases, which in turn leads to increased healthcare costs and loss of lives, really. 2 million lives a year are lost as a result, mostly of children under the age of 5. As a small and densely populated island state, Singapore also experienced the pressing need for modern sanitation at its independence. By 1997, though, we were able to resolve the problem by completing a full network of sewers. It was a significant milestone in public health management. To promote international awareness and support for increasing access to sanitation, particularly for the poor, Singapore successfully initiated a United Nations resolution earlier this year to promote sanitation for all. We now have 19 November designated as World Toilet Day. In Singapore's context, while we have achieved much in terms of providing a proper sanitation network for all, there is still room to further regulate and innovate to ensure that our public restroom facilities are clean and user-friendly. A public washroom should be well designed to ensure that it is pleasant while being easy to clean. User experience is very important as it affects the attitude that users take in helping to maintain cleanliness. If you go to a place that's well designed, clean, you will tend to want to leave it as it is and not soil it. So I think if you think about it, clean toilets promote clean toilet habits. NEA has undertaken extensive consultations with professional associations, industry partners, and the public on this issue since last year. And I'm glad to announce today that NEA has revised the Code of Practice on Environmental Health to improve the design and facilities in our public washroom. One of the key areas of improvements is the provision of elderly and family-friendly features, such as grab bars to assist elderly men in using the urinals, wash basin for children, where more than one basin is provided, diaper changing facilities are some of the examples. Women will be particularly pleased to know that we are increasing the ratio of female to male toilet facilities from the current 1:1 to 5:3 in public premises such as shopping malls, cinemas, convention halls, bus interchanges, and MRT stations. I'm sure I speak for the women that it is a very welcome initiative, and also to the men who now has to spend less time waiting for their girlfriends or wives or children. The revised Code of Practice also establishes other standards to improve public hygiene in washrooms, such as more convenient placement of cleaning amenities like soap and toilet papers and towel dispensers, stipulating that cubicle partitions should be wall or ceiling hung where practicable to facilitate floor cleaning, as well as providing wash basins outside the washrooms for retail food outlets. These improvements will be made mandatory for new developments from the middle of next year. Restrooms are clean, often not just because of good design, but a result of the hard work of the cleaners. And we do not express our appreciation for the cleaners enough. Maybe at this junction, I'd just like to invite you to give all the cleaners in Singapore a big round of applause. Showing them our deepest gratitude for these group of people that work silently but carrying out such an important function. We would like to see them acquire skills and have progressive wages so that they can enjoy better pay and livelihood. Washroom cleaners may undergo skills training by taking a WSQ environmental cleaning module for washroom cleaning. NEA and its industry partners have developed a quick and easy-to-use pictorial guide for cleaners to reinforce the skills for cleaning procedures and use of equipment, as well as the safety measures to abide by. It is the first time that such a pictorial guide has been developed at the national level to complement the training modules. These guides will be distributed to all cleaners through Environmental Management Association of Singapore and cleaning companies, and will also be made available on the NEA website from today. As a further enhancement, NEA will also develop benchmark indicators for the time taken to complete the various cleaning tasks within a washroom. These indicators will help cleaners and their supervisors plan their work better. It will also assist cleaning companies and building owners to plan the work required, the manpower requirements for their cleaning contracts better. Such guides and indicators will be developed for other types of cleaning work as part of our overall efforts to uplift the professionalism and employment conditions of all our cleaners. Besides design and cleaning, all of us as users have an important part to play in keeping toilets clean. Since 1983, a number of campaigns have been introduced to promote good washroom etiquette. Annual surveys of these campaigns indicate that users' behavior has improved. However, there is still much we can do to encourage social graciousness to keep our toilets clean. At this juncture, let me commend the efforts of the 15 recipients of the 2013 LU Awards, and LU stands for Let's Observe Ourselves. To all the organizations and individuals who will be receiving the awards, your achievements inspire us to do more to uplift the standard of restroom cleanliness in Singapore and keep Singapore a healthy and clean place in which to live work and play. As a close, I would like to thank the Restroom Association of Singapore, IAS, for inviting me to be part of Singapore's contribution to the World Toilet Day. The success of today's conference shows the support of many Singaporeans toward your mission of being a leading catalyst for improved sanitation for all. My ministry, NEA, and PUB will continue to strongly support and closely collaborate with you in your efforts. Finally, I'd like to thank each and every one of you for being here today. Your attendance and participation is a testament to the resolute belief that improving restroom standards in Singapore remains a key priority. Cleanliness of restroom may not be the most exciting topic for discussion. It is, however, such a crucial factor in our public hygiene and overall control of infectious diseases, as we have seen in the video. It is also an aspect that demonstrates the development and civic graciousness of a society. As we Singaporeans aspire to be a developed nation, let's start with something basic and fundamental, our public toilets. These keep our toilets clean, diseases at bay, and present a pleasant living environment for ourselves. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Minister Fu. Kindly remain on stage for the launch of the Guide to Better Public Toilet Design and Maintenance, 3rd edition. All right, could we invite the staff to just move on to that side? Okay, so what we're going to do, I just would like to share with everyone that the Guide to the Better Public Toilet Design and Maintenance, 3rd edition, provides professionals such as engineers, architects, and environmental and facility management professionals with information about good design, maintenance, and user education. The first edition was published in 1999 by then the Ministry of the Environment. The latest edition contains 3 main sections, namely design, maintenance, and user education. Better design and user-friendly features which can influence better user behavior were introduced. Now let's invite Minister Fu to push in the CD-ROM tray. Big round of applause, please. Thank you very much. Once again, a big round of applause to the launch of the Guide to Better Public Toilet Design and Maintenance, 3rd edition. Next, we'd like to move on to the Lu Awards presentation. And now we'd like to invite Minister Fu together with Mr. Ho Chi Kit to present the Lu Awards to the following recipients. From the organizational category, private sector, we have City Developments Limited, represented by Mr. Alan Ang, Deputy General Manager, Projects Division, Head Green Building. They have achieved the Happy Toilet participation for its construction sites since 2009 and achieved at least a 4-star rating for 6 construction sites. From the public sector, Housing and Development Board, represented by Mr. Kwek Xiao Hao Damien, Senior Commercial Properties Manager. Venue sponsorship of 5 HDB shopping malls for Lu Carnival 2013. Happy Toilet participation since 2010. 76 Happy Toilets at 19 shopping malls rated at least 4 stars. From the education sector, we have from Global Indian International School, Balestier Campus, Ms. Arathi Segar, Quality Coordinator. They have been awarded Platinum Star for achieving Gold Star for 3 consecutive years. Appreciation activities for the cleaning attendants were organized by Green Lu ambassadors to organize and recognize their efforts in and out of school. Now, in the cleaning industry, these individuals will receive NTUC vouchers and a special invitation letter for the screening of everybody's business, lunch and cast appearance. The names will be read out in alphabetical orders in the company. First we have IS Cleaning Services Private Limited, Mr. Lim Chi Shen, Jensen General Manager. Nominated by Asia Malls Management, 66 toilets in 5 of its shopping malls, which are maintained by IS Cleaning Services, have been certified at least 4 stars and above. Madam Ang Kim Hong, IS Cleaning Services Private Limited. Restroom attendant of 5-star Happy Toilet at Hougang Mall, 10 years of restroom cleaning experience, completed 2 WSQ modules in environmental cleaning. Madam Lee Po Gek, IS Cleaning Services Private Limited, restroom attendant of 5-star Happy Toilet at Hougang Mall, 8 to 9 years of restroom cleaning experience and completed 2 WSQ modules in environmental cleaning. Madam Noraini Binti Mansur from IS Cleaning Services Private Limited, restroom attendant of 4-star Happy Toilet at Liang Court and 5 years of restroom cleaning experience. Madam Chan Su Ha from ISS Facilities Services Private Limited, restroom attendant of 5-star Happy Toilet at IMH since 2011 and 10 years of restroom cleaning experience. Madam Ang Kim Tang, Ramkey Cleantech Services, 13 years of restroom cleaning experience and completed 4 WSQ modules in environmental cleaning, including restroom cleaning. Madam Bu Gek Hyang from Ramkey Cleantech Services, 5 years of restroom cleaning experience, completed 5 WSQ modules in environmental cleaning, including restroom cleaning. Madam Haryani Binti Kasal from Ramkey Cleantech Services, restroom attendant of 5-star Happy Toilet at Marina Bay Sands, 4 years of restroom cleaning experience. Mr. Muhammad Amin bin Amsa, Ramkey Cleantech Services, 10 years of restroom cleaning experience, completed 4 WSQ module in environmental cleaning, including restroom cleaning. Madam Zaliha Binti Jafar, Ramkey Cleantech Services, 6 years of restroom cleaning experience, completed 4 WSQ modules in environmental cleaning, including restroom cleaning. Madam Zarina Binti Ali, Ramkey Cleantech Services, restroom attendant of 5-star Happy Toilet at Marina Bay Sands, 4 years of restroom cleaning experience. Next we move on to the individual category. Madam Ridani Binti Said, Star Eco Assessor. She's a homemaker and has checked and assessed more than 100 Happy Toilets since joining as our certified Eco Assessor in February last year. Please give a big hand. Next category, Best Happy Toilet. The following toilets under the Happy Toilet program are selected for achieving the highest scores in terms of cleanliness, maintenance, effectiveness, user satisfaction, design, and bonus features. First, we have 21 Street Eating House, selected among 46 HTP coffee shops. Please give them a big hand. They are unable to join us this morning. Please give them a big hand. NTUC Food Fair Admiralty Place, Mr. Lam Kok Yong, Senior Branch Manager, selected among 24 Happy Toilet Program food courts. Next, for Market and Food Center, we have Mayflower Market and Food Center, represented by Mr. Lim Kian Cheong, Senior Property Manager, selected among 51 Happy Toilet Program Market and Food Centers. For shopping centers, we have Tiong Bahru Plaza Level 5, represented by Ms. Stephanie Ho, General Manager, selected among 300 Happy Toilet Program at 36 shopping centers. And the Happy Toilet of the Year, selected among 890 Happy Toilets island-wide, we have Alexandra Hospital Zoo Toilet, represented by Ms. Cheryl Neo Chiu Ting, Senior Executive, Environmental Services Department. We would now like to invite all recipients to step forward for a group photo. May we invite all recipients come up on stage for a group photo together with our guest of honor and Mr. Ho. And a big round of applause to thank Minister Fu. Thank you very much. And next, we will move on to the signing of the Memorandum of Understanding between RAS Secretary Mr. Ho Chi Kit and the various companies. And as part of its strategic move to become a one-stop solution provider, which includes innovative restroom products, RAS collaborates with credible partners to offer such products. We would like to now invite Mr. Elvin Yap, Corporate Affairs Director, Bus Ads Private Limited, on stage to sign the Memorandum of Understanding. Mr. Elvin Yap, please. Bus Ads possesses the qualified skills to provide odor reduction solutions by applying wall covering materials which can efficiently trap and neutralize odor. The material is cleanable, stain resistant, and long lasting. Moreover, it can be applied to toilets with wallpaper decorations. Once again, a big hand to Bus Ed Private Limited. Next, we'd like to invite Mr. Robson Tan, Managing Director, Nikkei Trading and Industrial Supplies Private Limited, on stage to sign the Memorandum of Understanding. Mr. Robson Tan, please. These nano-formula products from Europe act as a shield sealant that provide a layer of coating to prevent moisture, dirt, and grime from penetrating the surface of restroom facilities. This translates to easier cleaning and maintenance. Unlike other products, these DIY products can be applied effortlessly by anyone following proper instructions. A big round of applause to Nikkei Trading and Industrial Supplies Private Limited. The first company to sign MOU with RAS in September 2013 to offer customized IT solutions, the restroom feedback kiosk was developed after consultation with RAS. It allows owner and operator to receive instant feedback in regard to the state of cleanliness and toiletries. Such feedback could come in the form of SMS, email with timeline tracking, report received, acknowledgement to work completion. And this first company to sign this MOU with RAS is none other than Infinergy Systems Solution Private Limited. Let's invite Mr. Joe Ng, Principal Consultant, up on stage. And we would now like to invite Mr. Elvin Yap, Corporate Affairs Director, Barsat Private Limited, and Mr. Robson Tan, Managing Director, Nikkei Trading Industrial Supplies, for the group photo. Once again, a big round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of this morning's ceremony. A very, very big thank you to everyone, and I would like right now to give a big round of applause to our guest of honor, Minister Fu. Kindly remain seated while the guests of honor and welcome party to first exit the auditorium for a tea reception. And we would also like to ask all the Lu Award recipients to remain seated so that the news journalists and reporters can do a short interview with you. Yeah. Oh, I see. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes.
Okay, so participate in this operation manager. Yeah. Which school? What is that? Bus ticket? Bus ticket with the best ads. Okay, yeah, sure. I'm familiar. I grew up with this area.
Thank you.
No. Yes, of course. Yeah, I took bus a lot, and I also recognize the like soy bucket. I also have. Yeah, I grew up with that also. Yeah. Until quite old. Because I lived in my parents lived in a rent control house for a long time, and just being rent control, they can't increase the rent and everything else now. It's not started until I think
how to improve our public restrooms, especially on the infrastructure. Improve the way that we use the toilet and also how we clean. And as you know now, we're really looking at increasing the productivity of our cleaners.
I thought I should say goodbye to you and not just leave without telling you.
Like ulang pun saja. For me, cleaning is difficult because we clean ready the toilet. But other people coming use the toilet, maybe come the cleaning for all work together, cleaning also.